What is up, everyone, and welcome back to our vlog. So for today I'm gonna do a follow-up review of the Harman Reusable Camera. So this is the Harman Reusable Camera. From my previous review or impression video of the Harman Reusable Camera, many people ask me if a colored film will work in the camera. The answer is yes. So before I go to my explanation to that, I'm gonna review again the specs of the camera. So the camera is plastic. It have a flash, this one flash. It have a 35mm focal length, f.8 aperture, f.8 or f.11, I'm not too sure now, and a shutter speed of 125, so 1/25 second. So there you go. That's the basic spec of this camera. And also this camera is fixed, not really fixed for 400 film speed, but 200 film speed will work on it as well. So above 400 it won't work. Below 200 I'm not too sure, because the only films I've used with this one are the Kentmere Pan 400, the black and white that comes with the box, and also the Fuji Color Extra Superior 400 and Kodak Gold 200. So okay, like I said, colored film will work on this camera really well if it is a 400 ISO film speed. I'll show you some photos from the film. The colors are really good with this camera using the Fuji Extra Superior 400. I really like it. So after I saw the photos, I told myself that this film is gonna be on my favorite list. Right at the moment, I keep experimenting with film grades, with film speed, because I want to see which color I want for my photos. So right now my number one is the Fuji Extra Superior 400 or Fuji Superior Extra 400, whichever is that. The next thing that I tried in this camera is the Kodak Gold 200, which is below the 400 ISO film speed. So some people said, I saw online in the blogs, not vlogs, that a 200 film speed will work on this camera. I did try it. I tried it in a very low light situation and then really bright situation. The bright situation is really good. The low light situation, even though you use the flash, it's not usable. So I'll show you all the photo I took from those films, from the two films, just see which one you like. But the result from the Kodak Gold in very bright situation, like a very sunny situation, or nearly sunset situation, it is really good. But indoors, low light, it's very bad. I think it's because the camera is really built for 400 ISO film speed. So there you go. So for people who ask me again, does a color film work on the Harman Reusable Film Camera? Yes, it does work, but I would recommend you to use only 400 ISO film speed. You can use the 200, but you have to use it in a very well light situation, like on a very sunny day. So there you go. I haven't tried using above 400. I might do that next time because you know above 400 films are quite expensive, so I'm gonna wait until we have the budget for the 800 film speed. But if I did try that, I'm gonna do another video for that. So there you go. I hope that answer your question. Will a color film work on the Harman reusable camera? Yes. Will a 200 film speed work on the Harman reusable camera? Yes, but the result will be good in a well light situation. So there you go. I hope you've learned something from this video, and I'm gonna show you the photos from the Fuji Extra Superior 400 and Kodak Gold 200. Okay, so I'm gonna end this video talking, and I'll show you some photos. Okay, see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.